Hey guys, welcome back to Dream Trust. I'm Arlene, and in today's video I created this soft glam look using the Alice+Jane Honey Beauty Flavor palette that your girl created. This palette has 16 shadows, 3 highlighters, and 3 blushes, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look right here. So please keep on watching. So I'm going to be using the Alice+Jane Honey Beauty Flavor palette today. I already primed my lids with concealer, and we're going to start off with this brown shade right here. I'm going to be putting that all over my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking this lighter brown shade and I'm going to be blending out the edges. So you just want to blend everything out. And I'm going to be taking a fluffier brush, and I'm still going to be blending everything out. I'm going to be dragging it out to my eyebrows a little bit, just so it gives me that lifted look. And I'm going back in with the first shade that we used just to define it a little bit more, and same thing with the lighter brown just to blend everything. You just want to keep going back and forth just so the shadows are showing. I'm going to be taking a smaller brush and gonna use the same color, but I'm going to keep it right here on the crease just so it's more defined. And it really helps if you kind of look down and just like put it kind of like in this little socket. It'll define your crease. And again, just blend everything out. And I'm going to be taking a fluffier brush. So now I'm going to be taking concealer and I'm going to be cutting my crease. I'm going to be taking this like orangey shade here, and I'm going to be placing this on the outer part of where I put the concealer, just so it gives us that like ombre effect. Then I will be taking this darker brown, and then I'm going to be placing that on the outer parts of my eye. I'm going to be taking a fluffier brush. Then for my lid, I'll be using this white shade right here, and I'm going to just set the concealer with that shade. So I'm just going to be doing the other eye. So now I'm going to be adding some lashes, then I'll be right back. Now we're going to be doing the lower lash line. I'm going to be taking this brown shade and I'm going to be using that to darken up the lash line. Then I'll be using these two shades to blend it all out. And I'll be using this glitter shade right here, and that's what it looks like. And I'm going to be putting this in my inner corner. I'm going to be using this peach blush right here. For highlight, I'll be using this last one here. And then lastly, I'm going to be spraying my face all over. You can also use this palette to dry your face. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. For more information about the palette, feel free to check out the description box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.